Hello, Isaac from County Battery here, and I'm going to show you Mark's improvement to how we refurbish a GoCycle battery. Here you go. So this is an old battery pack that we've taken out of a GoCycle case, and as you can see, it's really straight. And in order to fit a new battery that we make back into the GoCycle case, we need to make sure that it's also really straight. But that's something that's quite difficult to do and line up by hand. So I'll show you what Mark's done. On the first pack Mark went to build, he started measuring up and planning out a bit of a jig to make. So he used our bandsaw to cut some wood out and create a jig / frame for the GoCycle battery to fit into to make sure it lines up really straight. So that on the screen now is what the jig looks like when it's done. We tried it on the old battery and then we tried it on a new one and it worked first time. So a big well done to Mark for jumping straight on this improvement, improving the quality of the product and making it easier to assemble. Well done, Mark.